Hello dear student, are you okay? In today's lesson we will study about the quadrilateral. General quadrilateral. The first time we have general quadrilateral. We have four sides and four angles. In general quadrilateral we have four sides and four angles. In trapezoid we have exactly one pair of parallel sides. It means just one pair are parallel, another pair are not parallel sides. In parallelogram we have two pairs are congruent sides. This pair and this are congruent sides. This pair and this pair are congruent sides. Also both pairs are parallel sides. In a rectangle we have two pairs congruent sides and four right angle. Two pairs are congruent sides and four right angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them are right angle. In rhombus we have four congruent sides and two pairs congruent angles. Look, we have two pairs are congruent angles. Two pairs, this pair and this are congruent. This pair and this are congruent, and we have four congruent sides. Four sides are congruent. If you look at the square, we have four congruent sides and four right angles. There we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Four congruent sides, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 angle sides. If we solve the practices now, open page 197. Yeah, 197. Look student, we have practice 2, classify each. Practice 2 practice 5 we have classify each figures in as many ways as possible. Write quadrilateral, parallelogram, square, rectangle, rhombus or trapezoid. If you look at the practice 2, we have a rhombus. You can say parallelogram and quadrilateral also, students. I just write it as the rhombus. Practice 3 is a trapezoid. You can say quadrilateral because it's in general quadrilaterals we have four angles and four sides. Also a trapezoid. If we look at practice 4, we have a rectangle because we have four sides are equal and four angle sides. Right angle, student. However, you can say a general quadrilateral and you can say a parallelogram because two pairs of sides are parallel. There's also a square. Just I write it as rectangle. You can say write down general quadrilateral and parallelogram. There's also you can write down general quadrilateral or quadrilateral. This is also square because you have four sides and equal congruent sides and four congruent angles. However, is parallelogram because two pairs are parallel. If you look at practice 6, we have a parallelogram because two sides are parallel, and we have a general quadrilateral because we have four sides and four angles. And number 7 is a quadrilateral, just quadrilateral because it's not a rhombus and it's not a parallelogram, trapezoid or rectangle or square. If you look at practice 8, we have trapezoid because just one pairs are parallel, and also you can say a quadrilateral. Number 9, practice 9, we have a rectangle and parallelogram you can say because two pairs are parallel, and you can say a quadrilateral also, student. And today we are finished for this lesson. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, student.